In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add pre-market to your Tradingview chart. By the end, you'll have pre-market and post-market sessions visible on your chart, and you'll know how to apply a background color so these sessions are easy to spot at a glance. First, open your chart, then move to the top right corner and click the settings icon, the small gear. This opens the chart settings panel where we'll enable the pre-market display. Next, go to the symbol tab. You'll see options that control how your selected symbol is displayed on the chart. Now, check the box for extended hours. As soon as you tick this, TradingView adds pre-market and after-hours data to your chart. You should see additional candles or bars in a shaded session area, depending on your chart style. This setting only changes what you see. It doesn't place orders or affect your broker. If you don't see any change, it usually means the symbol or data plan doesn't include extended session data. For most common stocks and ETFs, the change appears immediately. From here, you can also customize the background color for pre-market and post-market sessions. In the same symbol tab, look for the session background options labeled pre-market and post-market. Click the color box to open the picker, choose a color, and adjust the transparency so the shading is visible without covering your candles. A light, subtle shade works well to keep the chart readable. Set a different color for post-market if you want to distinguish it from pre-market at a glance. As you adjust, watch the chart update in real time so you can dial in a look that's clear and consistent with your layout. Once that's done, your chart is set. With extended hours enabled, you can hover or scroll through the pre-market to review price action before the opening bell. And the shaded background makes it clear when you're looking at pre-market versus regular trading hours. If you switch symbols later, TradingView will keep using your extended hours setting on this chart so you don't need to repeat the process for each ticker. To recap what you should see now. The chart includes pre-market data, and the session area is shaded using the colors you selected. Regular hours remain unchanged, and your technical indicators continue to calculate on the visible data without any extra steps from you. At this point, you've successfully added pre-market to your TradingView chart and customized the background for extended sessions. The setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.